Today we will be covering the removal and installation of a GE wall-mounted oven. Ensure power is de-energized by opening the oven circuit on your electrical panel. Lift up and out to remove doors. Very important before unwiring to prove power is off by testing it with an appropriate voltage tester. Unwire the electrical and disconnect flex. This is a dahlia created to slide the oven onto. Oven should slide right out. Screw the bottom rails into the cabinet. Bottom rail may not be needed depending on your cabinet cutout. Use dolly to insert new oven. It should slide into place. Secure oven to cabinet with supplied hardware. Install bottom cover. Lock in doors by pushing in hinge retainer. Thanks for watching.